Hello and welcome to episode 4. Today we're going to look at lighting. There are different types of lighting in Unity. There are directional lights, there are point lights, there are spotlights, and there are area lights. There is baked lighting and real-time lighting. Real-time lights should be used sparingly because calculating tons of shadows in real time is graphically intensive. Baked lights add to your bake time, but they're optimal because they're less graphically intensive while playing the game. Use real-time lights in places where your map will have the most movement, and baked lights everywhere else. This gives you the best of both types. If you use real-time in places where there is the most movement, it gives you the illusion of dynamic lighting everywhere else. Also, it doesn't really make sense to put real-time lighting where the fewest people will get to enjoy it. So as you can see, this is a spotlight. It lights up in a particular direction. And if we check the inspector tab, we can see that it is a real-time spotlight with soft shadows. If we check this area light, we can see that it's baked only. If we check this point light, it's real-time. It has soft shadows enabled. And this is a point light that is baked with soft shadows enabled. So they all light up different areas and different ways. And then this directional light is simulating the sun. And if you move it or rotate it, the sun moves along with it. You can cast longer shadows this way. You can change the color of each one of these. For example, if I want a red spotlight, I could change it red. Ultimately, it's going to be up to you how you want to light up your map, but there are a couple things you have to do beforehand. You want to check your CSG mesh, so material mesh right here. Make sure that you have a scale in light map setting of 0.1. And when you click your CSG model, make sure that you have light map UVs enabled. This is going to ensure that your lighting, your baked lighting, shows up appropriately on your model. You may get instances where you get pixelated or distorted lighting. That just means you need to rebuild your CSG model. So you click rebuild in the bottom left here, and you'll have to reset your scale and light map to 0.1 again. And once you do this, you can pretty much copy these lighting settings that I have here, and you should get some nice and quick lighting. So as you can see, I'm in game. We have our real-time light just over here, and we have our baked light just over there. Now if we pull out our viewing cam, we can see that we cast a shadow behind ourselves. In the viewing in the cam stick, we can see that we cast shadows. While if we walk over here towards the baked light, we won't cast any shadows at all. So these are the differences you'll see in game. Because our sun is a real-time light, we can see that we cast shadows in our cam stick. These are the basics of lighting. In a few episodes from now, I'll show you how to light up a scene nicely and how to make it seem realistic by changing the skybox and the color of lights and the direction of the lights. Next time, we're going to look at activators and how to use them. See you then.